Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a little share. I ordered a mystery bag. It's mystery bag number 5 from the Stamps of Life off their website. I do see that it's out of stock, but they have had several mystery bags come up, and so maybe they'll be offering a 6th one soon. And I thought you would be interested in what came in the mystery bag. This mystery bag was just a little over 11 bucks. And so this is the items that I got. Sorry for the crinkling. So I'm just going to open it somewhere. Well, so I got dies, embellishment, trim, fun stuff. So I got these jemmies. I got these jemmies. They're like a frosted. They're not clear. They're like frosted. Sorry, it's bright, so I don't know if you can see it well or not. But it is frosted. I got these brads. And they are like a brown color. I got one more embellishment. These buttons that also match this brown color. And of course now the sun went behind the clouds. Sorry. All kinds of lighting issues. But these buttons here, they're actually black or gray. Let's take them out. They've got a little shimmer to them too. And then you can see the little shimmer to it. Yeah, those are pretty cool. And 3 spools. Are these called spools? Of twine. Some sheer, it looks like. And grass green. So I got these 3 spools of twine, of ribbon. These 3 spools of washi. Love it. And these 2 bags of twine. Oh, and don't forget. And I got this package of, I think they're dies, metal dies. I believe it is. I believe it is. Do I have something I can cut out real quick to show you? Sorry, all the crinkling. Oh yeah. Oh, they're like paper clips. They're not even dies. They're just paper clips. How cute are these? Huh, I've never seen these before. Lovely, lovely. So that's what these are, paper clips. How cute. Miss you, thanks, and hello. So these are all the items that were in my mystery bag. Like I said, it's just over 11 bucks. Not bad, not bad. Washi, trim, embellishments, shiny stuff, string, all kinds. I will leave their link to their channel in the description box below. I also include other links of products that I use here in my scrapbook room in the description box below. I am an affiliate with Amazon, and so if you purchase any of those things by using that link, I do get a very tiny commission. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And until the next video, shakas! Nice trim, nice washi, nice twine, sprinkles.